In this video, we will prove that the sum of the exterior angles of a convex polygon is 360 degrees, and we will do it visually. As we know, this shape is a pentagon. Why? Because it has 5 sides here, and it is closed shape made of a straight line segment. So you can see here all of these are straight line segments. It's very interesting to see why the sum of the exterior angles of this convex polygon is 360 degrees. When we put these exterior angles, if we form it, we will see that these exterior angles together they form a full circle, which is 360 degrees. Before to start, as we know, this is a convex. Why it's a convex polygon? Because you can see here, this is the definition. We wrote it before in one of our video, which has title types of polygons. A convex polygon has all internal angles less than 180 degrees. And you can see here, all of these angles here, 5 these angles are less than 180 degrees. So all of them not like this, so not like this. So this is here, you can see this angle is more than 180 degrees. So all of these are less than 180 degrees, so this a convex polygon. Maybe you ask yourself, what is the shape of a concave polygons? So if it's like this, you can see like this. If it's like this, for example, this here, you can see this is a concave polygon. Concave polygon. Why? Because here you can see here it's more than 180 degrees. So as we know, a concave polygon has at least one reflex angle. Reflex angle means internal angles greater than 180 degrees. So here it's greater, this angle is greater than 180 degrees. So this is a concave polygon. So we are interested in this convex polygon. So let's delete this one. So let's do it. An exterior angles is the angle outside the polygon or outside the shape when you extend one of its sides. So let's start from here, for example. So you can start either like this direction or this direction. And if you start with one direction, either here or here, you have to do the same for the other vertices here because you want to do it visually. So that's why you have to do with the same direction. So let's say you extend this side. Then where is the exterior angle? The exterior angle is here because you know the exterior angle is 180 degree minus the interior angle. Here is the interior angle, so here it will be the exterior angle because it forms as 180 degrees, or you can think about it as you have to have two angles, interior and exterior angle, with the same line. So if we extend this one like this, we have to extend this one like this to form a full circle. So let's extend this side like this. Then here is the exterior angle. The second exterior angle is here because you know this is a straight angle. Here is the interior angles and here is the exterior angle. Now let's form the third exterior angles. So if we extend this side like this, I will do it as perfect as I can. Now this is the third exterior angle. You can see here is exterior angle and here is the interior angles. Now let's extend this side to form fourth exterior angles. So let's start from here, for example. Let's put arrow here. So here is the fourth exterior angle, here is the interior angles, and you can see it's less than 180 degrees. Now let's form the last exterior angle. Where is the exterior angle? It's here, this the exterior angle. And you can see here we have 5 exterior angles. Now let's put them together. Let's put this one from here to here, then from here to there, then from here to there, and from here to there, and from here to there to form a full circle. Now let's cut the first exterior angle here. Let's look like this. For example, let's put it here. Let's delete just the small here thing here. Now let's cut this, the second exterior angle. So you can see I will do it as perfect as I can. Now let's cut the third exterior angle. You can see the number 2 here, it will vanish here. I will write it again so you can see it should be like this. Let's write here again the second exterior angle. Now let's take this exterior angle, the fourth one. I'll cut it like this. Now let's put the fourth exterior angle. Now let's copy the fifth exterior angle. And let's put it here, and it should be matching this one. As you know, here is the third exterior angle, so just I will delete this one and I will write 3. So here is the third exterior angle. As you know, the first exterior angle is here, the second exterior angle is here, the third exterior angle is here, the fourth exterior angle is here, the fifth exterior angle is here. So you can see here it represents as a full circle. So these sum 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles. It represents as a full circle. So we have just seen visually that the sum of exterior angles of a convex polygon is 360 degrees. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 equal 360 degrees. Just like a full circle. This works for any convex polygon. In fact, it holds true for any polygons. That's it. I hope this video made the sum of the exterior angles of a convex polygon clear and easy to understand. Feel free to comment below if you have any question or suggestion about this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.